Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, I will teach you how to speed up your WordPress website. If your website performance is slow, then this episode will help you a lot. So let's get started. This is my website and I will increase speed performance of this site. So let's see how to do it. At first, I have to check the website current performance. So to do this, go to the Google page speed inside and enter your website URL and click analyze. We can see this is the performance score in mobile device and this is for desktop. So we will improve this performance score. So let's see how to do it. So at first come to this website airlift.net and click on Get Started Now button. And then create your account by connecting Google. Now enter your website URL and click continue. Now download the plugin. After download the plugin, I have to install this plugin from my WordPress dashboard. So go to your website dashboard and then click plugins and add new plugin. Now click upload plugin and drag the plugin file and then click install now button. After installing the plugin, now activate this plugin. Now this website is automatically check our website performance and also optimize our website page speed score. We can see optimization process is complete and I can see this is the initial result, initial score of website performance. Now back to this Google website speed performance website and again click analyze. We can see after installing this Airlift plugin in our website, our performance score is increased in mobile device and also increase in desktop. So this is how you can speed up your website performance by using Airlift plugin. So this is the previous score, website score, and after optimize our website using this plugin, so this is the optimized score. So now I hope you can speed up your website performance using this Airlift plugin. If you love this video, then subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Thank you everyone for watching this video.